So you got energy, source, positive and negative energy, because let's just break it down into numbers to make it easier. So let's make this a 3, source a 9, and this is 6, right? And just to simplify it before I get into that, 1 plus negative 1 equals 0, right? Balance. Positive plus negative equals balance. 1 plus negative 1 equals 0. Everything's about balance. And the reason that the Creator makes everything about balance is because we're here to learn lessons. Again, to learn how to control our emotions, to learn how to control energy, right? Because we are energy. Everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. So the Creator is actually the number 9. And then positive is the number 3, negative is the number 6, right? And so numbers are the language of the universe, right? So how do you know this? Well, 3 plus 6 equals 9, right? And okay, so your next question is going to be, well, how did you come up with 3, 6, and 9? It just worked out perfect, right? So let's get rid of this, and I'll come back to that. So we have 9 digits in our number system, right? We have a 0, but a 0 is equivalent to nothing, so it doesn't count for anything. So we've got 1, and let's add these together. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, right? That equals 45. And you got 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. And we'll leave the 9 out of this one. That's 36, right? So this one we don't have a 9. And this one we do have a 9, right? So in order to find out the truth of the universe, we try to find patterns. And that's why we reduce numbers. So if we reduce 45 to a full number, 4 plus 5 equals 9. See? 4 plus 5 equals 9. So if you add up every number in our existence, 1 through 9, you get 45, you can reduce it back to 9. Because 9 equals the Creator, right? So you remember, you got up here, you got here, 9, 3, and 6, right? And so if you add up all these, you can see the pattern here. You leave the 9 out, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So whether you have the 9 in the equation or you have the 9 out of the equation, you still come up with 9. And so what 9 represents, oh, I messed it up. Let's just make it so it's easier for you to understand. Let's just say God, right? And this would be angels. And this would be demons, right? So all these, if you add all these up without it, it equals 36, which breaks down to 9. You add up with 9 in the equation, it breaks down to 9 anyways. So all that these two equations are saying is whether you have God in your life or you don't have God in your life, God's still there, right? Balance. No matter what, whether you choose to have God in there, accept God, or you don't believe in God, or you don't practice in God, you're still going to have God in your life. It's still there, waiting, no matter what. And so that's why you get 3 plus 6 equals God. No matter what you do, God's there. Whether you believe in God or you don't believe in God, the Creator, whatever you want to call it. So that's how you come up with the triangle or the 3, 6, and 9.